With the version 1.40, Siemens introduces a new feature for PQ Advisor Compact: Delete or Restore Device. Delete function is used to clean system after commissioning by deleting wrong configured or unused devices, while Restore function is used to retrieve wrong deleted devices. With this new delete, restore function, it will be more flexible when removing devices that are no longer needed with no need to uninstall the complete system. Commissioning device information has been removed, which makes the whole system cleaner. In the new version 1.40, the number of supported devices has been expanded to 35. Open the PQ Advisor Compact. The Delete, Restore function is available under the Device Found menu in Configuration View. Click the Delete button under the Action menu next to the selected device which need to be deleted. After confirmation, the device information includes IP address, device name, device type will be grayed out, and the Delete button turns into the Restore button. In the dashboard view, the device is not available anymore. Go back to the configuration view, click the Restore button to restore the device for the next scan cycle. Device information disappeared after confirmation. If the IP address is already present in the scan range, it will automatically be scanned in the next consecutive scan cycle. If the IP address is not present in the scan range, you need to manually add the IP address for the restored device to appear in the subsequent scan iterations. Add a new row, input the IP address of the restored device. Then click on Scan button. After the next scan cycle, the color of restored device will be highlighted, and the Restore button turns to the Delete button, which means the device has been successfully restored. Check into Dashboard view, the device is now available. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to sign up to our Pro Notes newsletter. Especially written for power engineers, it's full of highlights, product news and tutorials like this one. www.siemens.com/pronotes